Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and this is Miss Cali Cat. Say hi, Miss Cali Cat. Say hi. She's still mad at me for having a candle lit. Y'all, today I have a SinglesSwag box. I was sent this for one of my collabs that hasn't even aired yet, but that's for March. Keep an eye out for that collab. So I thought, well, I'm going to get it again and see if I like it and it's something I want to continue bringing to the channel or not. So it is, I mean, it's really neat. They have a great little mixture of products. You can get beauty, you know, bath stuff. You could get, they normally send you some kind of little food. You could get jewelry, some kind of stylish accessory. You know, they just give you a little bit of everything. I guess you call it a lifestyle box. Now they have two different sizes of boxes. They've got the regular and the petite. The regular is $39.99 a month, or, you know, you can subscribe in different increments to, you know, commit to a longer period of time and get it for a lower amount. If you do commit to 12 months, you will save $80. I think that's what I did. I also found a discount code for half off. They do that a lot, so I actually got mine half price. This box, the larger box, does come with 7 to 8 full-size products of, you know, $200 or more value. If you want to get the smaller box, which is the petite box, it's $24.99 a month. If you commit to 12 months, you will save $30. That's 4 to 5 full-size products. It's normally a value of $120 or more. So I will try to put you some kind of link or something below. I don't know if I have like a referral link or not to this one, but I just want to see what's inside the box, and y'all, I could use a snack. So when this box came in, I was very busy. I had several grooms lined up. I had, you know, run and go do that one, this one coming that day, people coming over, all kinds of craziness. So it got put to the side. When I went to move everything out of this chair, which I normally just stack everything in this chair until I can film it, I noticed that there was not any tape on this box. And I was like, well, did I get it in another box? Have I opened it already? Am I just losing my mind? No, because the tracking label is right here, or shipping label. So yeah, I was a little nervous. We're gonna see what is happening with the SinglesSwag box. Hashtag love yourself. I like that. And this is what's on the inside. SinglesSwag, win your next box. Oh, get $15 off for every friend that signs up for SinglesSwag. Okay, so there is a referral. Visit singleswag.com, refer friends to get started. Okay, I'll do that and see if I can get y'all something. I'll see about that. And then on the back, you got all the goodiness. Tells you what's inside, and there went my thing. It says this one is valued at $122. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe I only got the petite. And right now they are doing a thing where they have a shop too, and it's half off of everything in their shop. I don't know. I'll look into it. It's a new box. I'm still learning. Just like y'all. Yes, I know. I'm very professional, aren't I? Okay. I'm so worried I'm going to catch something on fire. Okay. I normally set it further away from me, but I wanted to smell the candle. Y'all, I got this one from Habitation Box last year, and I just have been burning it a little at a time. It is so precious. Look. Quarantine and chill. But look at the tin. Love it. Okay. Smells divine too. Anyway, moving on. You know me, I get sidetracked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, 5 items. So yeah, I must have got the petite box. See chocolate, y'all. Let's just look at that first. European chocolate, Sweetwishes. Oh my goodness. It's dark chocolate. Ooh, y'all. I have a feeling my husband will steal this from me if I don't hide it. Sweet Wishes Premium European Chocolate Bar. Indulge in this delectable premium chocolate bar prepared with high quality cocoa beans and extra cocoa butter for balance and texture. Okay, so it's worth $5. $5 chocolate bar. Let's move on to what's in here. This is the Winter brand, and it looks like a beanie. Oh, it's a nice beanie. Okay. It's got fuzzy on the inside. I kind of want to put it on. It looks knit on the top with that super soft yarn. You know, you've seen it in the grocery store, and you just touch it. Not the grocery store, Walmart, wherever you go. And then on the inside, it's got this fur. This is nice. Winter brand. Oh, 100% Chenille polyester lined, hand wash only. Very cute. I'm not a big beanie person. I wear them sometimes, but normally it's going to be really cold and I'm outside. I think I would just be too hot on the inside. I just get hot when I have something on my head. Chenille Beanie. It is worth $38. Whether you're fighting cold weather or just heating up your street style, you can trust this soft, durable beanie to get the job done. Cozy, warm, and super stretchy, this fashionable accessory has been lovingly designed to provide amazing all-day comfort. That is really cute. I can rock a beanie, right? I'm tempted to put it on, but I got more videos to film. All right, okay, let's look at the Indigo Authority. Indigo. Yeah, that's how my day goes. Like indigo. Hello. Oh, look how cute. That's a darling. I love anything with a heart. It's got this little pink drizzy heart in it. Let's see what it says. Indigo Authority. This is the Elliana Pave heart and earring set, $54 value. Heart yourself and make a bold statement with the chic, stylish peach Pave heart charm necklace and earring set. Necklace measures 16 inches with a 4-inch extender. So very cute, very interesting. There's the back. $54. Whew. Okay, they are pretty though. They will get worn. And I got a Spongelle. This is called Lavender Sky. I don't think I've tried this one. Very nice. I love a Spongelle, y'all. And anything that says lavender, I am just all for. I love these. Oh my goodness. Okay. Spongelle Lavender Sky Body Wash Infused Buffer, $20 value. Love your skin with this body wash infused buffer designed for to cleanse, moisturize, rejuvenate, and restore every inch of your body. The product is dermatologist tested, vegan friendly, cruelty free, and made with love in the USA. Very cool. They little Cheetos on it. And the last thing in my box, this is the bonus item. This is okay, exclamation point. See, okay. Beauty mask. Pamper yourself with this vitamin infused Korean beauty mask loaded with skin loving ingredients to moisturize, hydrate, and refresh your skin. So styles may vary. So mine is brightening watermelon sheet mask with vitamin C. And I have been really liking watermelon stuff lately. I can't imagine Glow Recipe might have something to do with that. But yes, very cute. I haven't tried this brand, so that'll be neat. Look, he's so cute. Just adorable. Love a sheet mask. I've really been enjoying the clay masks a lot more. Not the pill masks, but like the clay masks. I'm trying to shrink these pores. I'm on a mission. Okay, y'all. So what did you think of SinglesSwag? I will see what I can do about getting you a code for half off and a referral code, all that good stuff. I think you can, even if you missed like the 30 or 50 off or whatever it is, you can go in and add a code later or add a code every month to keep it at that, you know, price, which is pretty cool. Spit everywhere. Which is pretty cool. So very interesting. What do y'all think? You want to keep seeing it? You think I should go, nah, let's spend the money on something else? Because let's keep in mind, I went broke. Yes, I overdid it. I went broke. So I'm trying to tighten the belt and, you know, be more frugal, but it doesn't always work with me for some reason. I have no self-control. All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.